Where are you? I sent you a message. I need you to answer.
I'm with my family. What's up?
We have a load for you. You need to go get it right now.
I can't. I'm out of hours.
Our system shows that you have an hour and a half left.
Yeah, that's not enough to take a load.
If you refuse this load, I will write you up.
I cannot deliver the load. It's too far. I won't make it on time.
This is a rescue load. It's absolutely must be delivered at 4 p.m. You have the time. You will take the load or else.
Fine.
1 hour later.
What the hell? What the hell?
I told you I couldn't take the load.
You had an hour and a half. It was a 45-minute load.
1 hour of driving time on ideal roads. What about my pre-trip? What about paperwork? What about traffic conditions? I can't do this load. There's not enough time.